野鵝都入埋，花月春風入埋，最後集係軍事出擊啊！2014年嘅新韓國際杯出馬12匹入晒閘㗎啦，隨時起步，準備。
Set now. Gates are back.
好啦，咁一呢步嘅時候咧都出得幾齊咁啊！前面快啲內檔嗰邊係野鵝花月春風啊，外檔啊東京光環喳喳聲走埋去啊，中間啊聖賢家族達標啦。軍事出擊啊，搶個咩位先？外檔慢慢遊緊埋嚟，外檔咧喺佢出邊仲有隻叻馬嚟啊！埋欄嗰邊咧馬爾基諾啦，咁啊再後少少咧仲有專尼吉他啦，咁然之後咧先至見到咧仲係烈日當空啊！尾位置就世界仔嚟咁，暫時墮喺尾跑，側目相看啊！呢度距離前馬咧講緊都有成7、8個馬位到嘅。好啦，轉彎嘅時候啦，東京光環一如所料啦，都係佢帶頭㗎啦嚇。首月第位咧野鵝嚟嘅咁啊，花月春風有難就2辦事啦，守住個第3嘅。然之後個馬啦先見到咧，仲有叻馬嚟喺我當嘅第4位啦，咁貼住欄啊專尼吉他攝咗個第5位喎。達標啊搏喺第6位嚟㗎，咁然之後嘅馬咧先見到個軍事出擊佢外檔嚟啦，再跟住馬爾基諾啦，咁後少少位置聖賢家族拖翻落去嘅。尾3位置咧暫時就烈日當空啊，咁喺尾暫時咧都仲係側目相看啊世界仔咁樣啦。好啦，跑咗接近一半路程嘅時候，哇果然啊放得好快，東京光環前面第一大4個幾馬位出嚟啊，咁啊有花月春風啦同埋野鵝都冇追上去㗎，咁守住第4位仲係專尼吉他貼住一個內欄位置，拍住佢咧，仲有咧就呢匹叻馬嚟嘅，個零馬位之後咧就軍事出擊啊，咁同埋咧就馬基諾一隊伏住喺中間島啦，喺佢前面有隻達標啦，後少少位置咧我當上係聖賢家族啦，咁然之後嘅馬咧先見到咧仲有咧就烈日當空啊，喺尾二位置仲係貼住欄嘅世界仔包尾仲係側目相看，呢度佢哋前馬咧講緊都成5、6個馬位嘅，好啦差唔多入到嚟最後直路嘅時候啦，咁前邊咧東京光環呢度放翻慢少少咯喎，咁啊花月春風喺內檔都等機會移出嚟啦，咁再跟住叻馬嚟啦，咁啊軍事出擊已經走到上嚟第4位啦，走出去外檔就有隻專尼吉他啦嘛，後邊啲馬咧一路騎緊一路褪係野鵝啦，入到之後直路嘅時候，前面咧花月春風已經過東京光環，但係東京光環睇嚟仲有喺手嘅，呢度開始騎上嚟㗎，外檔上到嚟咧就軍事出擊，中間殺緊上嚟嘅馬仲有叻馬嚟啊，去咗200米嘅時候，前面就花月春風咧鬥緊東京光環，軍事出擊呢度都撲到上嚟㗎啦，後邊上緊嚟嘅馬仲喺出邊嘅烈日當空嘅，前面花月春風走甩咗啊，東京光環開始轉讓啦，軍事出擊同埋呢烈日當空衝埋上嚟嘅，個終點啊，捧金嚟新羅國際杯嘅花月春風，第2名烈日當空，第3名咧就軍事出擊，第4名就東京光環。結果捧杯嘅係貝湯美，花月春風完成咗呢個新韓國際杯之旅啊！
花月春風係啦，佢個檔好跑啊，
佢佔盡晒個形勢之利啊！
軍事出擊沿途3碟啊，一路埋嚟
真係手掣呢個檔位啊，
檔位周遠啊！
其實都莫雷拉已經係用即係俾盡心機去跑啦，
好好啦，攝一路慢慢攝埋嚟係啊，
跟住走2碟，
佢最中間係俾轉翻俾聖賢家族拍上嚟咧，搞一搞佢啊！咁莫雷拉都望一望出邊邊個咁。咪杯湯尾啊！琴日贏駿馬名區，今日都係佢喎，
而且都係大摩㗎。
佢琴日就風花樹就殺咗啊嘛，今日保重翻啦，同主
交叉掣啊，
同主嗰隻。
但係嗰陣時出擊都交翻第3翻嚟冇問題啦，都係咁，即係起碼喺水準之內啦。
啊烈日當空跑過第2喎，
俾佢攝住咗個。
即係法國馬啊！
法國馬真係跑得好喎。
雖然冇衛冕唔到啊，都係啊，咁啊，咁唔緊要，都係香港隊贏啦。
香港隊贏曬2場嘅。
冇錯。花月春風，
舊年嘅亞軍，今年檔位好
似都值得尊重啊！當年同信和成真跑啊，嚟香港前跑到而家仲係咁硬淨啊！
而且佢嚟香港之前係跑咗唔少㗎啦，
係啊，
跑咗好多嚟香港，
好多大賽。
係啊，
但呢隻咧就舊年嘅冠軍一哩賽盟主，咁呢項係佢第2項嘅國際級賽啦。
同埋軍事出擊好可能個體力有少少影響啊！真係。
上次由威爾頓搏得好緊要啊！
你上嗰場係威爾頓。
係啊。
好啦，貝湯美。
不過佢個檔位令到佢跑法好易跑啊！即係攝咗個內欄拉出少少。
最重要就係東京風，你走就得快嚇，我做乜都唔使做添。
香港人都好嘢，都頂到第4啊！周莫雙可能攞太後啦，包尾一路。
呢度使唔使留到咁後咧？
其實佢有嗰個檔位係可以跟喺中間㗎嘛。
佢雖然中意3至5名嘅，都唔使咁後。
唔使真係跑第5名。
好啦，今屆新韓國際杯仍然係大摩嘅囊中物啊！
仍然係兩場大賽贏晒啦，
練馬師係成功衛冕嘅。好啦，馬主包大位。
He just came around the Japanese horse, and I didn't think he was going to win by as much as he did, but he did. And all I can say is congratulations, Hong Kong, and thank you, Singapore.
Thanks very much, David.
Thank you.
Well, I've got John Moore, who's out on the track.
哦，嗱，包大位先生都老香港嚟㗎啦，都嚇。
冇錯啦，呢件彩衣
係啦，真係好馬無數啊！呢件彩衣係。咁今次嚟到啊國際級賽嘅大舞台，花月春風。
發揮得相當之好啊！呢場
花月春風我真係似新加坡嘅威爾頓啊，1400跑到2000，
係啊，
馬路程都得嘅啫。
不過始終佢花月春風嘅質素喺呢組都好前列嘅馬嚟嘅，即係如果真係軍事出擊有乜嘢差池嘅話，到佢亦都順理成章啊。
可能主隊嗰扎真係都仲啲距離都幾遠啊，係啊，即係長途都跑長途。
真係曳啲，即係
係啊
冇辦法嘅。你始終個級數嘅分野。
即係暫時咧，你主隊嘅馬大部分都係仲係倚重紐西蘭馬啦。即係以紐西蘭馬，如果對比澳洲馬長途已經好啲啦，咁但係同歐洲嘅長途馬仲有啲距
爭好
離，
遠啊，
仲有啲距離，
而且喺度睇住專尼吉他一路跟住花月春風跑㗎啦，已經跟到實啦。
啊，
都唔得，
佢喺邊度踩，佢喺邊個位踩，
都唔得。
佢走嗰條跑線，佢亦都跟住嗰條跑線，但係冇啊，俾佢揈甩。
即係一入到直路加速咧，你完全
係
見到個分野喺邊㗎啦，已經完全冇得跑。好啦，大魔咁啊，舊年喺呢度咧就取得第一項嘅遠征勝利啊，
冇錯啦。
一不離二。
咁呢項咧就呢項第3項咯喎，對佢嚟講係。
係啊，因為杜拜卓力之城
杜拜贏咗卓力之城
啦
嚇。
贏開就贏啦。
其實以大魔嘅即係嗰個經驗啦嚇，當年爆冷俾隻精辟圖像搞掂咗，都真係幾慘嘅，真係嗰場。
都唔知點解嘅。
係咪陽光經典啊？陽光經典
都唔知點解嘅
唉，即係陽光經典之後去邊都唔知
去咗配種，
啊！但係陽光經典係嗰場，
係嗰場咯，係啊，
嘅啫喎，冇嘅咯喎。
係嗰場。
好啦，花月春風捧走今屆嘅新航國際杯啊！
想睇個時間做到幾多啦？即係東京光環都
應該放得幾快㗎，
走順都幾舒服嘅喺前面
係啊
一路。
你都見咧，花月春風同埋野鵝都唔跟上去，
係
你走啦，唔好搞啦，真係。但係你都唔好話東京光環唔犀利，咁佢都仲保住個第四啊，
第四啊
佢都仲保住個第四，
仲要都唔好話腳法嘅左轉啊！如果右轉可能仲勁。
如果右轉放下，你真係
係啊
佢出慣嗰隻腳，你都幾難擋佢啊。
或者咁睇啊，你又可以計，你又可以睇東京光環就睇到呢項賽事同秋季天皇賞個水準有幾大分別。即係東京光環喺嗰場跑係10嘅，即係如果你香港想再去遠征日本嘅話，係可以愛嚟做借鏡。
你用嚟做把尺去計條數差幾遠啊要。
最唔使借，梗係嚟新加坡啦。
咁當然啦，
分鐘有數，
獎金又有翻咁上下高，
係
係咪？
難度又低啲。
距離又近。
呢場頭馬都成1000萬港紙嘅。
300萬波子啊，總獎金。
咁啊，一人一年啦嚇，軍事出擊同佢嚇，因為軍事出擊都有第3名個獎金都有㗎嚇。
咁啊變咗威爾頓嘅馬王呼聲就最高
係啦
最高啦，
係啦
如果咁樣就。
但係軍事出擊始終值得尊重嘅，即係你咁短時間3場馬都跑，即係都可以有咁嘅表現，唔簡單啊。
佢又去咗杜拜啦，之前
嚇，因為好短時間啦，實在。
係啊雖然琴日風花雪月就第2，今日就保重
啊
翻。
呢個
周嘢
仲值咗喎呢個。
好啦，有呢個呢，即係第5場新航國際杯嘅暫定賽果啊！跑第1名係2號嘅花月春風，第2名係7號嘅烈日當空，第3名係1號嘅軍事出擊，第4名係3號東京光環。
睇下啲主隊馬，
呢個烈日當
喺裏邊
空咧就
嘅
同上年嘅百事多利唔同咧，就係佢係留喺後邊，咁你前面走咧就益到佢嘅。
佢就唔理你啦，前邊唉，
完全放棄㗎啦，
放棄前
邊
段啦。
咁啊，巴利之前派過冠軍風彩跑啦，即係起碼遠征方面都有啲心有數。
側目相看都追翻幾多㗎，
追好多
唉真係
有一紮主隊喺後邊。
好啦，有呢個預計派彩啊 ，S 第5場跑第1名2號嘅花月春風啊，導贏派彩39蚊。
Tommy, that's a really special
好，
win for
聽
you.
埋個訪問先啦。
Yeah, it's very important. Very emotional. Obviously, this was the last place Nathan was before he passed, and he really enjoyed the racing here. And it's quite funny actually. There was a beautiful big butterfly that landed at my feet in the mounting yard and hung around there for a bit just before I got on. And then the same butterfly, well, whether it was the same, looked the same, but was flying around me in the gates. So he was here today.
Must be terrific to win a horse as gutsy as Dan Excel, to a horse you've had a lot of time for throughout your career.
Yeah, I have. I've watched him for a long time and always been hoping to get on his back, but only took the last start. And he was 4 wide, no cover the whole way the other day, and still toughed it out, finished 3rd. And a bit worried I wasn't going to get the ride back, but I begged John, and he said that I was already booked for it. So very thankful to John and the owners for giving me the opportunity, and You know, the first time he's not a young horse, this bloke, but it's the first time with the winkers. So full credit to John for whacking them on and sharpening him up a little bit, and he raced like a good horse he is.
The 200, did you ever look behind your shoulder? Because you were the one you wanted to be on. Nothing was catching you.
Yeah, that big screen's pretty good. You can have a look at that a few times, and I just let him cruise the last bit, and he come back to me nice. But probably one of the most special wins of my career, and I'll never forget it. And you know, I've got to thank everyone here in Singapore. They were great to Nathan whilst he was here, and like I said, he enjoyed his time here. And thank you everyone for all of your support over here since his passing. And I know one thing will never be forgotten.
That's certainly true, Tommy, but your efforts here and the thoughts of everyone are with your family, but you're just great ambassadors for racing, and the whole racing world supports you, which must be extra special for you to know you've got that support.
Yeah, look, we've been taught at a young age to always, you know, respect the game and try and promote it as much as we can and get young people into it. And we're only young ourselves, but we do our best for the sport and try and promote it the best we can. And I believe Nathan did that to the best of his ability before he passed. And I'm glad that I can carry him with me on my shoulder everywhere I go.
Well done, Tommy.
Thank you.
好啦，我哋去翻克蘭芝馬場嘅現場啦嚇，就睇頒獎儀式啊！新航國際杯，我哋香港隊咧嘅旗幟升完一次又一次啊！今晚啊，
冇錯啦。
雖然衛冕嘅馬匹就唔係軍事出擊啊，哇！但係衛冕嘅練馬師係成功嘅，就係約翰摩亞。
咪亦都係香港嘅代表，亦都係大摩馬房。
破完自己又再破自己嘅紀錄啊！呢度好
而家係做個好遠嘅紀錄出嚟㗎啦嚇，因為6月都未到已經破紀錄啦。
係前個禮拜已經破咗啦。
係啊，破完再破，破完再破。
咁對上嘅紀錄就係告東尼精英大師在陣嘅年代嚟㗎啦，已經係啊。
1億1000幾萬。
仲有女王，即係打杯都未跑。
係啊，嗰陣時
啊，即係打杯。哇！有威爾頓多明你又見到㗎喎啊！即係我都諗緊2400，雖然話威爾頓就新挑戰啫，但係如果講個質素，你揾啲咩馬去擋佢咧？
皇馬今日軍事出擊都輸咗，咪都穩陣啫。
我諗今場跑完都休息。即係加
州馬又未起得翻。
即係上年就加州馬里威利加數都好 fit 㗎。
係啊，上年好鋭。打多明利咯，都係對翻自己
啊！即係最強對手都仲係自己嚟。
好啦，咁呢個時間呢 S 第5場啊，新航國際杯派賽作實嘅，跑第1名2號嘅花月春風，對人派咗39蚊，位置派咗14蚊。第2名7號嘅烈日當空，位置派咗35蚊。第3名1號嘅軍事出擊，位置派咗11蚊。年齡位2搭7，派402個半。三重彩順序271啊，派1810蚊。單 T 127派143蚊。位置 Q 2搭7派97個半，1搭2派17蚊，1搭7派56個半。4連埋1、2、3、7派223蚊。